Let's get out of here! I hate to run on an empty stomach. We've gotten ourselves in a real mess. Stay tuned. While Mario finds something else to ruin Nicole's clothes, watch this.
We're trapped! Now how do we save Toad?
You're not listening, lady! I don't want flying merchants!
Mommy knows best! Little cheapie.
Look, lady, I got 10 gold coins. They're yours if you just let me go!
I'll let you go, Sweetum. At 30,000 feet. Look! A fire flower!
I'm hungry enough to eat anything.
No, it's magic. If you can reach it, you can become a Super Mario and get special fire power that can destroy King Koopa's evil helpers.
That's easy. Come on, Luigi. Patty cake, pasta man. Give me pasta power as fast as you can. Pasta power! I love when that happens. Follow me!
For badness below and behind the call of cruelty, I, the devious King Koopa, bestow these medals of the Double Cross.
We have important news, you Royal Koopas. The princess and her plumbers survived the avalanche.
They what? You bumbling beak geek blew it! Ah! I'll have to lead the next attack myself!
I'd pay $200 for a nice pepperoni cheesecake right now. Who called me cheap? I'll pay $300.
Look!
What is that thing?
It's a baby birdo, Luigi. And it needs our help. It's frozen inside the ice.
Stand back.
Do you think his mommy is the one who took Toad? Here we are, little cheapie. 30,000 feet. Now Mommy will let you fly. Happy landings.
Lady, I'm not a bird! The least that Featherbrain could have done was lend me a parachute. Hey, that's it! A parachute!
Are you all right?
I feel great! I just passed my first flying lesson. Hey! It's me! I mean, him! It's Little Cheapie! The Play-Doh's real lost baby!
Little Cheapie won his mommy. Toad, do you know where his mommy is?
No, no! I'm not going back up there! Never!
Mommy! I want my mommy!
Okay. Maybe if I take you back, she'll leave me alone.
Start climbing, Paisano. We'll stay here and keep King Koopa occupied.
King Koopa? Where?
Hey, Super Mario! Super cook that goose!
Koopa Troopa Pack? Attack! Put out that Super Plumber's fire!
Don't worry, Mario. We'll beat him without superpowers.
It's too late, Princess. They gotta surrender.
It's all over, scum scrubbers! Who threw that vegetable?
We did! Would you like to come to dinner?
Dinner? That's the best news I've heard in days.
I cooked this just for you, Mario. My favorite recipe.
My favorite dish, spaghetti.
Spaghetti? We're not spaghetti. We're worms.
Worms?
I've never been so insulted in my whole life.
Oh, Nicole, I'm so sorry. This never, ever happened before.
Oh, yeah? What about the time when we drenched the mailman?
Oh, hold on. No, bullshit. Why don't you come up here and stay by the furnace? It's nice and warm. It'll dry you off. I'll move the cake. Oh.
I'm sorry. It does that once in a while.
Oh, Nicole, this is terrible. Come over here. Ha ha! Oh. What's that, your birthday? This is terrible. Come over here. Oh, guys, this is terrible. Oh, have a seat. No. Hey, Nicole, come over here. I'll get this hair clean. Over there.
Terrible.
Yeah, but somehow on her it looks good. What are you looking for?
Something to clean the coal up with. Here you go.
Lint bush? You got any other great ideas?
Yeah, how about showing us some scenes from the next Legend of Zelda?
Good idea.
This is the Triforce of Wisdom, Link. The evil wizard Ganon has the Triforce of Power. Whoever gets both Triforces will rule this land forever. You must help me, Link.
Hey, for you, Zelda, anything.
Move it, you boneheads! Get us out of here!
Whoa! Toasty! Eat dirt, Ganon!
Get them now!
Nice job, hero.
Hey! Excuse me, princess.
We'll pay for everything.
No, don't worry about
Oh,
it.
please, Nicole, we'll do all your plumbing for free.
No, really, it's okay.
We'll make you free pizza.
Yeah, well, wash your clothes.
We'll brush your teeth.
Boys, I told you not to worry about it. See, actually, this is perfect.
It is?
Yeah, remember I was telling you I was going to a party?
Yeah.
Well, it's a sloppy party. See, the person who dresses the sloppiest wins. You saved me a trip of picking up a costume. The sloppier, the better.
Really?
Really?
Well, in that case...
Stay tuned. The Sloppy Mario Brothers will return.